Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the mouse cursor size and color on your Mac operating system. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, click on this Apple logo and then click on System Settings option, which will open the System Settings window. Here on the left hand side, you need to click on the Accessibility option. So just click on Accessibility, and under Accessibility, click on Display and just scroll down a little where it says pointer. So under pointer you will have the option to change the size of your pointer, right? So right now it's by default normal size. If I want to change the size of the pointer, I can move it to the right hand side and you can see the pointer size increases, right? So now this pointer size is bigger, and if I want to once again make it smaller, now it's small, right? So let's move it to the largest size of pointer. Now if you want to change the color of your mouse pointer, you have these two options. First one is pointer outline, which is white in my case, and other is the pointer fill color, which is black in my case. So let's change these two colors. Let's say I want to make the pointer outline somewhat yellow, and I want to change the pointer fill color from black to, let's say, red, right? And now you can see this pointer fill color is red and the pointer outline color is yellow in this case. If you want to reset the color settings, just click on reset colors and then it's going to reset all the color changes of your mouse, right? You also have color fillers for your display, but this is, I think, not related to your mouse. So these are the two settings which you can use to change the pointer size and the pointer color of your mouse cursor. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.